became an accidental landlord. So bought a house in 2007 and ended up renting it out after a period of time.
Yeah.
And then you end up, obviously having to submit tax returns and whatever.
Yeah.
Just talk to me a little bit about that and what advice you'd give to people that are in that kind of situation now, and even to Nick as well, I suppose, because you deal with a lot of people that became accidental landlords and are in that position.
Yeah, so that's if you've been an employee all your life and you haven't had to file tax returns, it's a big change when you then suddenly have to become self-employed and start filing tax returns. And there is a big difference. One of the biggest differences really that I'd like to make people aware of if they do become either an accidental landlord or have any other sort of non-PAYE income, maybe they have a side hustle, is that it's up to you to calculate how much tax you owe on that profit and pay it all over to revenue in one go, which is very different from being an employee where it's done for you and you don't need to think about it. So, it's important to, properly consider the tax implications. So essentially, whatever your tax rate band is, so if you earn over 44,000 in the year, any income you get from the rental property is subject to tax at the higher rate.
And that's the thing. I mean, I actually ended up selling the property because it just didn't make financial sense to hold on to it.
Yeah.
And obviously there's lots of issues then around kind of renting to, it can become a headache really, I suppose.
Yeah.